IWATA Label Europe GmbH. Vial Protection Pack System. VPP is a packaging consisting of a Shrink Tack label coated with adhesive, a glass vial, and a resin protector. VPP I is a bottom cap type, and VPP II is a cup type. This helps to reduce vial breakage and scattering. VPP is highly valued for its superior strength and resistance to breakage and scattering if dropped. This reduces the risk of damage in the event of a drop. VPP also endorses guidelines for occupational exposure control in oncology drug therapy. If a typical sleeve wrap anti-cancer drug falls, pregnant nurses or those transporting the drug may be exposed to hazardous substances. VPP is resistant to breakage and therefore protects the user from exposure. There is a risk of exposure if you touch a contaminated vial. With VPP, even if dropped, the risk of cracks, etc. is low because it is protected by the plastic cup and shrink wrapping. This reduces the risk of occupational exposure. Additionally, production line closures due to broken vials can be avoided. In 2022, VPP I sold 4.5 million units and VPP II sold 5.5 million units. We are proud of the high share of the Japanese pharmaceutical market for anti-cancer drug packaging that we have achieved with VPP. We have also received a lot of approval from healthcare professionals. Shrink labels with 70% high shrinkage can also be used for narrow-necked vials, which are the mainstream containers overseas. By applying a UV absorber, the transparent label can protect the drug product from light up to 380 nanometers, making it ideal for light-sensitive drug products. VPP offers a variety of advantages over typical sleeve packaging. It also has excellent compatibility with other robots. We are also committed to protecting the global environment by acquiring FSC certification and participating in resource recycling projects. Next, we will show you how the VPP system is created. Step 1. The vial is first inserted into the resin cup. Step 2. A film is attached to the vial. Step 3. The film is shrunk with hot air, shrinking onto the vial. This machine combines shrink wrapping and labeling in one machine, which has less thermal effects than sleeve wrapping and is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. This is how we have continued to provide high-quality products and services in the field of pharmaceutical labels and labeling machines for more than 60 years. We have group companies and sales companies around the world. In the future, we expect to expand our business not only in Japan, but also in other parts of the world. IWATA Label Europe GmbH.